Welcome to Navyuk School Educational YouTube channel. Today we are going to start a new chapter, Earth Our Home. Objectives are students will be able to understand that Earth is our home. Students will come to know about different types of landforms on the Earth. Look at the picture, student. This is a picture of a globe. Globe is a model of Earth. We all live on the Earth. It is round in shape. The Earth is our home. It is made up of both land and water. The colored part shows the land part on the Earth and the blue color shows the water part on the Earth. As you see, most part of the Earth is covered with water. And the land where we live on is not same everywhere. At some places it is low while at other places it is high. So today I am going to explain different type of landforms on the earth. First landform we are going to take is plain, and plain is a flat land. Most people live and grow crops on the plain. Many rivers flows through the plain. Next landform we discuss is hill. A hill is an area that is higher than the land around it. As in the previous picture I showed you a plain surface which is flat, and here a hill that is higher than the plain. So the difference between a plain and a hill is a plain is a flat land and hill is a area which is higher than the land. Okay, students, next slide or next landform we discuss is mountain. Look at the picture, students. It is a very beautiful mountain, and mountain is very high area with the steep slopes. And we see snow on the upper side of the mountain and lower part is covered with forest. I hope you all love this picture. It is a beautiful picture of a mountain. Next landform we'll take is valley. The low land between two mountains or a hill is called a valley. River flows through the valley. Next landform we take is desert. Look at the picture, student. You see camel on the picture, and as we all know, we have studied earlier this, that camel is the ship of the desert. And what is a desert then? A desert is that part on the land which is covered with dry sand. As you see in this picture, very little vegetation, and we found very less water in the desert, and people use camel for their transportation. Okay. Next landform we'll take is island. See the picture, students. Picture is so beautiful. It is an island, and island is that part on the land which is surrounded by water on all the sides. As you see in the picture, a beautiful island surrounded by water. Next landform we take is a forest. Student, look at the picture carefully. You see what? You see different trees, different plants in this picture. So what is a forest then? A forest refers to the land area with trees, plants and animal. And animal lives in the forest. So we have discussed different landform on the earth, and now what we are going to do? We are going to do a small exercise on landform. This is match the following. On left side you see different pictures of the landform, and on the right side you see name of the landforms. Okay, so you are going to match pictures with the name of that landform. Okay, students, I hope you understand landform. Thank you.